Welcome to ATM Fee Saver. Start the app with Allow Location while using the app and you'll see nearby cash spots, ATMs in red, currency exchanges, and money transfer spots in orange. Scroll table to see ATM access fees and withdrawal limits. The percentage fee column will help compare and pick the best one for your needs. The review icon will give you insights from other travelers on that cash spot. To see your specific fees, in the Your Amount calculator bar, type your desired withdrawal amount and instantly see your fees for each ATM. Once ready, tap the navigation icon and go. Want to help other travelers? Tap the edit icon and update different fees or limits you experienced and leave a review. Find reliable currency exchange or money transfer service using the Forex Nearby option. Also read reviews and get directions. Add cool new cash spots using the Add a Place tab and enter category, name, fees, limits, and review. Don't forget to check the tips page for country-specific advice on handling cash and do's and don'ts. If you're in an emergency abroad, SOS numbers, call ambulance, police, and fire services in 90+ countries. So go ahead, explore the world with confidence.